In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, time slips through our fingers like grains of sand. But what if we could take control of our time? Introducing the art of time management. Step 1. Plan your day. Utilize tools like planners or digital calendars to schedule your tasks and activities. Step 2. Prioritize wisely. Identify the most important tasks and tackle them first, ensuring you make progress on what truly matters. Step 3. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different activities, minimizing distractions and maximizing productivity. Step 4. Delegate when possible. Recognize when tasks can be entrusted to others, freeing up your time for more critical responsibilities. Step 5. Take breaks. Remember to rest and recharge periodically to maintain focus and prevent burnout. By mastering these techniques, you can reclaim control of your time and unlock your full potential. Start managing your time today and watch as your productivity soars.